Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to add a Chat GPT bot in Pycharm. This is a great way to enhance your workflow by integrating AI right into your development environment. If you enjoy tech tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. The first step is to access the plugin settings in Pycharm. To do this, go to the File menu at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will open the Settings window where you can customize your Pycharm environment. Step 2. In the Settings window, locate the Plugins option in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. At the top of the Plugins tab, you'll find a search bar. Type Chat GPT into the search bar, and you should see the Chat GPT plugin appear in the results. Click the Install button next to the Chat GPT plugin. Once the installation is complete, click Apply and then OK to confirm the changes. Step 3. After applying the changes, you'll notice the Chat GPT Bot panel has been added to the right-hand side of your Pycharm interface. This means the integration is now active, and you can start using the bot directly within your IDE for tasks like code suggestions, explanations, and more. And that's it! You've successfully added a Chat GPT bot to Pycharm, making it a powerful tool for your coding projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.